Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which allows you to get free API keys to call different AI models, almost 200 plus AI models. You can call this with a single API website. I've given the link in the description of the video. It is LLMAPI.dev. So I'm personally using this website for past 6 months and it is actually working. You can see it has all the AI popular models: Claude, GPT, Gemini, LLM, Gemma model as well. So you can see complete list of the models which are there, Grok as well. You can simply search Anthropic, Moonshot, Kimi K2, OpenAI, DeepSeek. All the models are there in a single website, and it also maintains the rankings as well of these models. And you click on the try free button and you will get free credits once you confirm your email. No credit card is needed. So right here you click the continue with Google button, and as soon as you authenticate and sign up using a free email account, and once you authenticate, it will provide you with some sample credits. So once you are authenticated, you basically get these free credits here. You can see that to try this. And if you want to check the documentation, they provide you with this detailed documentation. After you created the account here, you simply go to API key section to create your API key. So right here you click on create your first API key. So just give it a name and click on create API key. So this will give you your API key. Simply copy to clipboard, and they simply tell you how to call this directly using the curl request. So the endpoint is simply this endpoint. So what you can do to call this, you inside VS Code, I'm using this extension Qwen. This is a simple coding agent. I've already installed it. So right here in the settings, you simply select the API provider to be OpenAI compatible. Then you paste your API key, and in the base URL, the base URL will be this one. So simply paste this base URL. You will see that we pasted this base URL, API key, and the API provider. And then in the model, you specify which model you are using. So let me use this one, GPT-4, in the model ID. So we pasted all these four things, and after that click on done, and click on new. Just type a message and try to call the API. This is a step-by-step configuration that is needed. It's very easy. If you see the credits, it gives you these credits once you sign up automatically in the free plan. It also have the paid plan as well, from starting from $9.99, access to all the models. It also have $19 plan as well. So it's a really good website. So inside the documentation, it exactly, you can also install this OpenAI module as well. So they have given this Python's, you can implement it in Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, Go, Java, PHP as well, Ruby, C Sharp. So you can even create a Python script and call this API really easily. So what you need to do, simply create a Python script, and right here you can directly paste this API key. So just go to your, click on that. So paste your API key. So we are using this model here. You are a helpful assistant who won the World Series in 2020. So we are asking you a question, and if I try to call this python app.py. So now the actual API will respond to you, return a JSON response to you. So just make sure that you actually paste the correct API key. Sometimes if you paste an incorrect API key, then it will. So this is actually a trusted website. I previously have worked a lot. So they have exactly tell you this curl request. You can directly do that. So it's a really good website. As you can see, it has all the API models directly available. Once you sign up, you also get free credits as well. So at my machine, it, it's not working. You can see now it is perfectly working here. You can see who the Los Angeles Dodgers won the 2020 World Series. They defeated. So it's just a matter of time. If I change this question, let's suppose I simply say top node frameworks in 2026. So the API definitely works. You will see that we using the GPT-4 model. So as you can see, we haven't purchased any kind of credits. When we sign up, we get these. So it actually consumes some credits as you do this. So you can see that it again returned out the top frameworks, top 10 frameworks of Node.js. In this easy way, you can create any kind of application related to it for completely free. It gives you these free credits. It's a very good website. Definitely try this.